Real, fake, or real, fake, or real. I'm still not 100% if this is real or fake, you know. Me can't even tell. Wild ground people, this is Digi Gold, and welcome back to my next video today. Now, I'm doing another video. This video is by Digi. It said by the way, it says his parents kicked him out, but to be honest, it is his house. You know what I mean? That is his house. So his parents kicked him out. Oh, interesting. I think this is gone. Oh no, fake or real? I'm not sure. But so this is the video about. So I've been kicked out of my house. That's a video by Digi. So I'm gonna react to this. So the video. If you guys want me to react to when he got kicked out, yeah, I'm gonna react to that one next after this one. So sorry it's the opposite. It's just I mean, I need to hear the situation. Y'all want to hear the situation. So yeah, the visual video. Shake my head. Alright, so here go.
It's Digi, yeah.
What is this old intro?
Long story short, I've been kicked out. As you can see, I'm not in my house. I found a place to stay. So if you may not, some of you may be like, what the hell is going on? Just go on my main channel, because I know some of you here aren't actually subscribed.
I'm not sure if it's real or fake because you cannot tell the difference. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah, I've been kicked out. My parents kicked me out.
In your own house, though. Your own house. Your parents kicked you out.
My dad was pissed and he just kicked me out. Anyway, so I know I've been saying that I'm gonna upload every day on this channel. I didn't expect to get kicked out.
Yeah, sure.
That I had.
That's probably also didn't know. You never know.
Nothing here. Luckily, I've got my laptop. All right, my laptop. It's slow. It's very slow. But it does the job, alright? I can edit on it and everything, so I know I did say I was going to be uploading every day, and I apologise. I'm going to be recording here on my laptop. I'll try on recording my laptop, and I'll upload for you guys there. Don't get me wrong, it sucks for me, because I literally have stuff planned, but it's alright. I mean, if you go to my main channel, you understand what's going on. I even posted a video there. Oh, excuse me. I even posted a video there. See the bananas.
What the hell? Did this nigga just burp? Burp! Oh my god. Imagine how that smells. Imagine how that burp smells. He might have just woke up, you know. He might have just woke up in that video, doing a YouTube video, and he probably just burped. His morning breath must stink at worse from that.
See the bananas there, yeah? That's the only fruit. There's no other fruit. It's just bananas. I ain't saying racism, but I mean... But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, just so you guys aren't like out of the loop. I am still here. I am a man of my word. I will post every day. It's just gonna be a lot harder. It will be a lot harder. So if I actually do miss a day, I apologize. Okay, I'm on my grind.
I apologize. You guys have to upload on YouTube every day, bitch.
Just remember that you guys are my family. You know, the Tank family, Digi family. We there.
No,
100% respect to you guys. Yeah, I was homeless for a day. Yeah, I was homeless for a day. Believe it or not, I was homeless for a day. Yeah,
you're not homeless, man.
Homeless for a day. It's nuts. I know. It honestly is crazy. It is what it is.
I would come out, yeah, I'm not really tired, you know, because
homelessness. I had a car and I slept in that. I pumped it with gas too. So I got at least 500 miles on that shit. So I'm all blessed. Just keeping you guys updated. Thank you for sticking with me. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and yeah, take care.
Okay, so I don't know if this is real. I'm not sure, but that is his own house, so I don't know. I see the comments say it's fake, but I'm not sure. So make sure to like, subscribe. I love you, and peace out.